New props on the Grinderino. Look at that thing. So yeah, I broke a prop at the park the other day. I also lost my strap in the same day. Came home, got some new propellers on there. I really didn't think I had another strap, but I have this short one from RDQ. I don't think that's gonna work, and I was happy to find this. But then I also found this one. This is a longer RDQ, and this will definitely work. So either way, I have at least one strap to try to keep flying. I start the new job tomorrow, and like, yeah, I got a new job, but also, damn, I have to go back to work, you know? So today's my last day to probably try to fly. I got the wall mounts, the Grinderino wall mount. It's posted up on Colts now. The Source 1 V3 wall mount. It's kind of terrible focus. But I also started posting a bunch of these other parts. Little drone accessories. Batteries are charging. But man, what I really wanted to talk about got the new FLYTRIBE. Look at all the stickers I got. I love the swag, bro. And they hooked it up with props. Some Gym Fan 5-inch. 3.6. These should be awesome. I dig the sticker. I think this is the same Gym Fan, obviously sponsored this month. But that's cool. I like how these ship. Great quality photos. Yeah, the quality is great. Nice and thick. But they ship it with these cardboards, one on each side and in a sleeve. So you get your FLYTRIBE magazine in good condition, which I really like. And then they hook it up with stickers. And this month we got some free props, which you know you always need props. So that's freaking awesome. Just another good reason why I love this hobby, this community, and this new magazine we got for us.